at the moment.
Good to hear that, Allie. Well, one of Michigan's most notorious missing children's cases is now back in the spotlight. The boy's father is facing murder charges and is waiting to find out if this case will be tried.
John Skelton will be back inside the courtroom today for a second day of a hearing that will determine if there is enough evidence to send him over to trial.
He's accused of killing his 3 young sons, Tanner, Alexander, and Andrew. The boys vanished from Morenci on Thanksgiving Day back in 2010, and they've never been found.
In July of 2011, their father pleaded no contest to unlawful imprisonment and was sentenced to 15 years in prison. Just as he was about to be released last year, prosecutors announced murder charges.
And that brings us to this preliminary hearing. And joining us live now is 7 News Detroit reporter Ryan Marshall.
Now, Ryan, can you tell us who testified during day one?
Well, Allie, Alicia, the boys' mom, was the prosecution's first witness. The family's former pastor also testified yesterday. Monday was the first day in the pretrial of John Skelton. Lenawee County prosecutors filed open murder and evidence tampering charges against him last November following the disappearance of his 3 young sons, Andrew, Alexander, and Tanner, back in 2010. They were only 9, 7, and 5 years old at the time. The boys' remains have never been found. Their mother, Tanya Zuvers, says she never saw them again after her marriage with John collapsed. She says Skelton didn't return the boys following a court-ordered Thanksgiving visitation. Yesterday, prosecutors began laying out their case against Skelton, attempting to prove why he should be tried on open murder charges. Skelton originally pled no contest to unlawful imprisonment and was sentenced to 15 years in prison. But prior to his release last year, prosecutors announced the new charges. Prosecutors are expected to present cell phone tracking data and Skelton's online search history, which included searches on how to kill a person made around the time they disappeared. During her testimony, Zuvers said that Skelton was upset when she told him they were not getting back together.
He already took them once. I didn't trust him to not take them again just by the way he was acting. And when he asked, was there any chance for us, I finally just said, no, there's not. We are not, this is not working.
Did my client ever express any messages that would confess to harming these children?
No, because I saw my children up until November 26th.
Did he ever send you a threatening message that he was going to hurt the children?
No.
Family pastor Donna Galloway from the Morenci United Methodist Church says she recalls Skelton saying a woman was watching the boys. But when they never came home that night, she went to see him in person. The pastor testified that she would frequently say heaven is her home. That's why her concern turned to sorrow when she heard this.
And he said to me, Pastor Donna, you of all people should understand what I mean when I say that they're home.
And the hearing is expected to last several days. And once the pre-trial is over, the judge will make a decision whether or not there's enough evidence to take this to a full trial. I'm Ryan Marshall reporting live for 7 News Detroit this morning. Back to you guys.
Such a tough case, emotional moments in the courtroom. Ryan, thank you for your live report. Stay with 7 News Detroit, both on air and online at WXYZ.com as we follow this preliminary hearing day.